Congrats again, guys. Now let's get into the Intense 5. Courtney and Travis make it official. She's now Mrs. Travis Barker. Good luck to them. Shenseea was stunning on the red carpet at the Billboard Music Awards, but Rogero was the real star. All eyes were on him. No, sir, what a cuteness. Shakari. My girl, like, you just keep going and going about the negative effect Jamaica and Jamaicans have had on you. Go run a race, no man. Oh my God. So, what happened to Bounty's Instagram? He's been quite vocal recently about the government, but he's always vocal, to be honest. Boy, I just hope he gets it back. And finally holding the spot this week, Riri is a mommy to a baby boy. Like, she really tricked everybody when she was baby shopping in Target and selecting pink clothes. No more baby bump fashion though. Well, for now. Congrats, Riri. And hush time. Oh no. That's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Follow us on IG for all that's hot in entertainment. Up next, the one and only Link on 3 Dot. We soon forward.